Alright, here at Tichy-Tampa Wetlands with Snaps FPV.
How you going, guys?
Make sure to sub to him. So I'm going to throw the Mavic up and get us walking in and yeah, set up and then rip some packs here and show Russell the spot because he's coming down, 2-hour drive, so good stuff. I'm just heading home. Bloody mozzies are horrendous here.
Oh my God.
They bite my knuckles.
Straight away.
Ah! Alright, I got some spray. So Russ is putting the Mavic up.
Don't worry.
Sorry, the
Love
Mavic 2 Pro
I
Zoom.
love FPV still. This thing
Is that what it is?
Yes.
Yeah, cool. By the way, I've just flashed Betaflight 4.2, the release candidate number 2. I'm going to give that a test today. So I got that working on one of my Apexes. And we're going to see how that goes. And I'll up the rates even to like, I think it's 1300 degrees a second to try and just really bring back bounce back and everything. I'm flying it on complete stock tune, filters, everything. Haven't changed a thing, so we'll see how it goes and see if I can make it wobble, see if it's as good as people say. It detected me. Alright, sweet, we're back. Fucking mozzies. Turned off HYPERSMOOTH. Now it's running 4K 60 frames, wide field of view. What else do I need to tell you? I just remembered what I was going to say. So also I'm running RPM filtering on this. So it's default PIDs. I've cranked up the rates to try and increase bounce back or anything like that wrong with the PIDs. Obviously a higher rate's going to bring it on more drastically than a slower rate. So yeah, I'm going to see how RPM filtering goes. It's basically on stock PIDs, filters, everything. Just yeah, cranked up rates like I think 1300 degrees a second. What else? Yeah, I got new props. It's a pretty beat up quad, so it's been through hell. It's my main Apex, so let's see how it goes. Let's hold up without HYPERSMOOTH on. Alright, got a new battery on. So let's test this 4.2 out. So no HYPERSMOOTH, no nothing. You know, all raw, 4K, 60 frames. Expose the vibes and let's see how good it goes. It's got RPM filtering and all that jazz, so you know, it's 6S2, so let's see what happens. was just enjoying that.
Have you got a spare GoPro battery?
So yeah, I do.
Fucking went flat on me. I must have left it on the floor.
Oh, true. That is fucking sick. Everyone flashed to 4.2. I don't know. That's default shit, man. I don't know if it's those rates though. Those rates are just... I think I found my new rates. Real fast fuckers. But yeah, we'll see when we get home. Well, fuck, I'm shaking from adrenaline from that. That was good. Motor's a little bit warm, but you know, that's just from use. It's normal. Let's unplug this fucking flattery. Fucking snaps just had a rip. What do you reckon, bro?
Oh yeah, buddy.
Yeah?
Sounded good, mate.
You can have sounded
Pinky is super excited. I've never seen him frothing.
awesome. Never see me frothing.
Not as much as he is now. So 4.2, guys. Get on it. I'm doing it as soon as I get home.
Bad shit. Alright, and that's only release candidate too, so I mean that works, but I'm flying the Pyrodrone stack, the flight control on the ESC, so on 6S. Do I have a capacitor on this build? Look at that, I'm not even running a capacitor on the 6S, so there you go. Fucking, it's pretty awesome. Alright, time to change the GoPro battery and rip some more with this drone because I'm fucking just instantly in love. Sweet.